Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Belly from The Summer I Turned Pretty. So first we're going to get started with her hair. And we're going to start in the center, curving this line out, down, over, and across. And then we're going to start back at that point, curving this in, up, and over on the side. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over and across. And now let's close off the head. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around, flattening that out as we come in towards the bottom. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side, curving this around and then through towards the center. Now from here, we're going to close off the ear on the left hand side, curving that in. And then over on the right, we're just going to arch this around and in, creating a nice big half circle. Let's draw on the details. So we're going to curve this out, arching this around, back in. And then now on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. For the top of the hair now, we're going to arch this around, down, and in towards the hair strand there. And then we're going to do the same on the right, bringing this around, in, and down towards our ear on the right. Let's add in some details now. So for the eyebrows from the hair, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And then over on the right, we're going to arch that line across. Now from here on the top right, we're going to curve this over and through. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this back up. In the center for the nose, let's draw in a small arch line. And then for the mouth coming underneath, we're going to curve this line across. Let's move up and draw in the eyes now. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this around, bringing this over, and then back in. And then we'll move over on the right and replicate that. So we're going to curve this around and then back in. Now let's thicken this up. So on the top left-hand side, we're going to start at the point, curving this around, and then down. As we move across on the right, we're going to curve this out, drawing in an eyelash, curving that out at a point, starting back at that point, curving that in, and then we're going to start there, bringing that back down, blending that in together. From here, we're going to color that in black. Now let's add the highlight. So on the top, we're going to add a nice big circle. We'll do the same on the right-hand side. And then from here in the center, we're just going to close that off by coloring this in black. Now let's draw on the rest of her body. So we're going to come down on the left-hand side for the shoulder, curving this over and down for the arm. And then we're going to move across on the right and replicate that. In the center now, we're going to arch this around, across, and then back in. For the sleeve of the tank top, we're going to curve this out, in, and then back down. Ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. In the center now, we're going to draw in two straight lines, just leaving a gap right in the middle. And then from here, we're just going to draw in 4 small circles. Now moving up for the pendant, we're going to draw in another circle. And then on both sides, we're just going to curve this line over and in towards the side. Now from here, let's close off the shorts. We're going to arch this line out on both sides. In the middle, we're going to curve this across. Let's draw a straight line coming down in the center. We're going to arch this line over towards the side on both sides. Now let's move up, replicating that, curving that in towards the middle, bringing that over and across on the right. And then we're going to, for the pockets, curve this back up and over on the side. Let's close off our arms. So stepping up slightly, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line out, around, and in. Now from here for the first finger, curving this around, back up. And then on the top, just curving this around and through towards the wrist. And then stepping underneath, we're just going to curve this line across for the finger underneath. Now let's close off the hair. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, arching this in, bringing that back up at a point. On the right, we're going to step underneath the ear, curving this out towards the side of our page, bringing that back in, ending that at roughly the same height. And then we're just going to curve this back up towards the top. We're going to step in again, curving this in, and then bringing that back up. And then now from here, we're just going to arch this line over. On the left-hand side, curving this in towards our arm, creating a point, bringing that back up. And then again, we're just going to close that off by bringing that in behind the arm. Now let's come down for the legs from the shorts, and we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at roughly the same height. And then for the shoe, we're going to curve this line over and across. Now from here, we're going to bring this line back out on a diagonal to close off the leg. For the shoe, we're going to arch this line in on both sides. And then from here, we're going to bring this line across and then back up and in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw belly from The Summer I Turned Pretty. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.